Hi, this is Mark from Mark Austin Trading, and today I just wanted to expand on one of my top trend trading tips, which is beware of being a bear on the first trading day of a new month. So what I mean by this is that on the first trading day of a new month, generally there's a bullish tendency because the big funds, such as pension funds, will commit new cash monies into the market just after the open. So one of my rules is actually to use the 5-minute bar. So if we look at my chart here, we can see that it's set to 5 minutes. And I'm quite literally looking at the first 5-minute bar which is formed. So this bar here. And I'm looking for a 2-pip break either way to enter me long or short into the market. So we can see on Friday, which is the 1st of February, so the first trading day of a new month, we can see that there's a nice green bullish candlestick formed here, which is a good indication that there's a lot of cash monies being injected into the market just after the open. So I would have gone for a break 2 pips above here. We can see that there's a brief pullback, but then the market ends up trending for the rest of the day and actually closing on the highs. If we had been triggered to the downside, I would have also taken the break of the 5-minute bar to the downside, because the rule is that you just go with the break in either direction. So if there actually hadn't been a break to the upside, generally you'll find that the market, if it breaks to the downside, you'll have a trending day to the downside on this day. So I integrate this rule into my gap trading as well, into my gap trading strategies. So on the 31st of January, the FTSE closed at 62, just above 62.75, and on Friday, I actually had a good setup for the closing gap for the market to retrace back towards that level. But this particular rule is integrated into my trading the gap for a living system, and so this avoided me taking the gap trade because the market never actually broke to the downside. So it's quite effective, and on this day actually the closing gap never got filled. So as I said, this is expanding on my top 10 trading tips, and if you haven't watched them, you can watch them on the link below this recording. So hopefully you found that useful, and I will be back with another trading tip shortly. Thanks.